what are you waiting for? Like, you need to get this. Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Renee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get right into this video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm basically about to be showing you all how to stay fresh all day long. Make sure your little mama smells good down there, okay? 24/7. So if y'all are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Okay girl, so let's get right into this video. So first things first, in order to, smell good, keep fresh all day long, I feel like this should be for everyone. Number one thing is to have enough water in your system. Stay hydrated, okay? Because if you're dehydrated, 9 times out of 10, little mama down there is going to be dehydrated. So what I like to do is I like to keep me a bottle of water with me, and I actually got this from Amazon. So I'm going to have this link down below in case any of you all want to check it out. I got this from Amazon. I think this is such a cute little water bottle. It is, when you have like cute water bottles, it keeps you motivated to drink water throughout the day. This I think can only hold like almost 2 bottles of water. So I would try to drink like a gallon a day, so that's like 6 to 8 glasses a day. If you can't do the whole 8, I would try to at least do like 6. So yeah, I find that when I do this, it really does help me, stay fresh down there, smell good down there. Drink you some water, girl, okay? That's number one. Period. Alright girl, so the next thing that I'm going to be talking about are these down there wipes. And if y'all haven't seen any of my other videos, you wouldn't know, but I did talk about this in one of my recent videos. So this is the down there wipes, and you can get this from Target, Walmart. I actually got mine from Amazon. So yeah, these, baby, every time you use the bathroom, instead of using tissue, you can definitely use this. It's pH balanced, hypoallergenic, plant-based with aloe, vitamin E, and this is the scent lavender plus aloe, and it smells so good, okay? This is bomb. And I feel like it's really cute because you don't have to bring the whole entire box with you, because they have like little individual wraps. So if y'all are going somewhere, like say you're out and about, it's been a long day, it's hot outside, get you a wipe, baby, okay? Keep you a wipe with you in your purse. So yeah, I think these are very, very cute, and I just love the packaging of these. Okay y'all, so the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is actually going to be a feminine wash. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I never knew that I needed this until I started using it. So I don't have the wrapping that it comes with it. It's just in this little soap dish box thing. But this is I'll have it on the screen. This is from the brand skinfoodfix.com, and the product that I'm showing y'all right now is going to be the soap cookie feminine wash. Y'all, this is so good. Like, if you don't do anything that I tell you in this video, get y'all one of these, okay? Because this is so bomb, and it's only $6.25. Y'all, you cannot beat that, okay? This is so bomb. So it smells really, really good. I'm gonna tell y'all what it smells like. It smells literally like what it says, a cookie. Like, it smells so good, y'all. And let me tell y'all what's in it, because it's a lot of things that's in here. So okay, so it has organic olive oil, organic coconut oil, distilled water, organic apple cider vinegar. And y'all know, if you don't know, apple cider vinegar is really good for down there. So yeah, it has apple cider vinegar, it has Rastol clay, probiotics, vegan organic yogurt, organic aloe vera gel. Y'all, it has everything you need, okay? So yeah, and they also have a lot more different types of things on their website. I really want to like check it out and do a video, because yeah, this product is bomb. It just makes me want to go on there and get anything else that I may need to get. Like, when I tell y'all, that soap will have you smelling like nothing. Like, you will smell like nothing the whole entire day. Like, you're not going to have a scent at all. Whether it's a good scent or bad scent, you're not going to have any type of scent the whole day. Like, that is the best product that I've ever used. Like, if I'm being honest, like, for real, that's the best product, y'all. So make sure y'all go check that out. I'm going to have it linked down below, because it's bomb. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that to help you stay fresh and clean all day long, honey, because it works. And then another soap that I'm going to be talking about is going to be the Honey Pot. And y'all already know, if you don't know, Honey Pot is bomb too, okay? They have this in Target. You can get this from their actual website. Baby, get you some Honey Pot. So I got the sensitive foaming wash, and this one is plant-based as well. And it also has, what does it have in here? It has lavender, vinegar, and calendula. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it says calendula. But y'all know, like I said, anything that got vinegar in it, it's the one. It is the one, okay? So yeah, definitely pick you this up. This one doesn't have a scent to it, but she does have and y'all know this is black owned, So she does also have different scents as well, but I just chose to stick with the sensitive formula. It does have like a little smell to it because of the vinegar, so you're definitely going to smell the vinegar, but it's not like a really strong smell to where you're like, I don't want to do this. Alright y'all, so the next thing on the list is going to be these exfoliating gloves. I love using exfoliating gloves because, one, you already know that it helps with like ingrown hairs and stuff like that. If you get like waxes, or even if you don't get waxes, these are still really good for using down there. I use this on my whole entire body, so yeah, use it on my body. I use it down there. It's good for little mama, so that's why we're gonna keep it with this. I don't really use like loofahs because I feel like it's not really a point to, like, I don't know, I just don't really like those. I just really prefer to have my gloves. And I actually got these from Amazon, but of course you can get these from anywhere, and you can also get these from Dollar Tree, so don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Okay, another really important thing on the list is the soap. Like, soap is very important because sometimes different types of soaps can like throw your pH balance off, and you don't want it to do that, but everyone's different, so it just depends on like your body. So the soap that I use is this Dove soap, and this is in the shea butter and the warm vanilla. This works perfectly fine for me. I don't put this inside little mama because we don't want her, you know, getting jacked up, but I do use this down there, but it's not, I don't be going up inside. So yeah, you definitely don't want to do that. I prefer to just use water inside, of course. Dove is where it's at. Alright y'all, so the last couple of things are like some smell good items. So you want to have a really good perfume, but everyone's different. Like, different perfumes go with different body types. Like, the perfume that you may like might not go well with my like body. So yeah, it's just like, you have to figure it out on your own, honestly. But the perfumes that I love to use are these travel size perfumes that I have. So let me tell y'all the number one though. The number one perfume is going to be the Killian, and this is I Don't Need a Prince by My Side to Be a Princess. Y'all, when I tell y'all this smells so good, I think it has like marshmallow in it, and you can just really just smell like the vanilla. Like, it's just, and it lasts, for me personally, it lasts all day on my skin. Like, it just smells so good, y'all. So yeah, if y'all haven't picked this up, girl, what are you waiting for? Like, you need to get this, okay? Because it's so bomb. It smells so good. Like, this is one of my favorite perfumes. And then if I'm not using this one, I love to use the Valentino. This is how it looks in the travel size, but I'm not really sure what's the actual name of this perfume, y'all. But if I find out what it is, I'm going to put it on the screen. But this Valentino perfume smells so good. This is a lot more stronger than this one. This one is like kind of like on the sweet kind of side. This one is a little bit more like, it's just a little bit stronger. It still is sweet, but it's like kind of stronger than this one. So yeah, make sure you have you some perfume because yeah, you want to stay refreshed throughout the day. So get you some perfume, girl, okay? Period. Travel size. Ain't nothing wrong with getting travel size. Get you some travel size perfumes. And then the last thing on the list is actually some lotion. And y'all, if you've seen any of my other videos, I literally talk about this in any like self-care video. So the Bum Bum Cream, baby, I swear by this, okay? Because it smells so good. Like, I love this stuff. It smells like a, like kind of like a perfumey smell. It just smells so good, y'all. Y'all should definitely try this if you haven't. Of course, you can get this at Sephora. These little bottles are like $20, and then they have like a different size. It's like $45. Baby, it smells so good, y'all. Like, this is my go-to, honey. I don't ever leave the house without having this in my purse because this is it, okay? Alright, little mamas, so that is basically the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know if these tips have worked for you. If you have any tips that I didn't mention in the video, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch y'all in my next video.